Hello traders, welcome. My name is Frank Birch, CEO of Systems Traders, and I would like to give you a brief video on a little subject called leading indicators and lagging indicators. Now, if you look at the chart in front of us, it looks a bit busy at the moment, but you'll understand it very shortly. We use time and price in our plugin called SystemsTraders to predict buy and sell signals in the direction of the trend. And if you can see, every time a pivot point is plotted, you'll get a dashed line telling you that the sensitivity has now changed, and we will go green, buying. Another dashed line will go selling. So these are plotted in the future, so these will be very leading. And also, if you look, we have a dashed line. That dashed line is the Lucas sequence. Now that is in numbered 7, 11, 18 and so forth. It's like Fibonacci, but a different mathematician that come up with a new set of rules. It does work. They both have a good part in trading in time. And if you look at the horizontal lines, we have 26, 38, 50, 62, 78. As a retracement, it's well versed. Fibonacci is a really good tool to use as trading, but on its own, it's hit or miss. But the idea is, we get a dashed line, then you get the horizontal lines plotting on each bar. We will then be looking at a high to go in the zone or touch the line, and we will go short. As you can see, we have a short signal here. It was a little early, but the market's not perfect. Comes down and we're out for about 40 ticks. I'm quite happy with that. As you said, this is leading, so that's where we're at with it. Now at the bottom we have the CCI and the RSI, overbought and oversold. Overbought and oversold. They do have a place in trading, but you have to understand they are lagging. Lagging means after the fact. These horizontal lines, they're leading. Over here we can see that the trend has changed, the direction has changed, sorry. These lines plot, and we will know these in advance, whereas the CCR and the RSI, they do not know. They have to wait for price action to move in a direction before they react, hence lagging. You can speed these up. Larry Collins used the RSI with 2 periods as a reversion to mean. Very good. He's only in for a trade for 1 or 2 bars. We can't do that. We're looking for the bigger picture on a 60-minute chart. As I said, we've got the 6S in front of us. This works on all the symbols in the left-hand side. That's what we trade automatically with SystemsTraders 24/5. As you can see, the backtest hit rate over 500 bars is very positive. It's very good. We have drawdowns. It's not perfect. It doesn't trade at 100% hit rate. It trades at about 76% hit rate over 5 years on the backtest. And these were built the later part of 2021, and we still use them today. Now, a lot of traders use this, the lagging indicator, CCI and the RSI. We can't use them in this inside our filter block or strategy, because they're not fast enough. We look for a pivot point change, we look for direction, then we look for a high or a low, depending on buy or sell. If that touches that line, we will sell that market. Now, if you look above, we have a red, simple moving average. Yes, that does lag, and I know that. But if you look at the time we got the signal, it's below the moving average, telling us we should be going short. It hasn't. You're only working on 1 bar at a time, so even if it's far away, it's not going to hurt our signal. It's just giving us overall direction of the market, and that is clear and concise. It does what it says on the box. You go short below the moving average, you go long above the moving average. Inside our strategy flow chart, it does it all for you from entry through to exit. You got the sell signal, you're below the moving average, it's hit the 38.2% Fibonacci level. Then once it's made a little bit of profit, the break-even stop comes in. Then you have the trailing profit stop following it down, and it gets you out on a market order at about 187. So I know it's only 30 or 40 ticks, but it's still a profit's a profit. Right? And that is the key to this. Consistently making gains every month or every week, and keeping the drawdown as low as possible. Okay. Thanks for that little video, and I'll see you soon. Hit like and subscribe if you found this informative. Thank you. Bye-bye.